Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Most welcome in this mathematics class. In this session, we will learn about usage of international system of numbering as well as Indian system of numbering. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Then come to the point.
Okay, sir.
Here I have mentioned a comparative table for Indian system of numbering as well as international system of numbering. So is observed from right side, that is in Indian system. You can see first period belongs to ones, second period thousands, third period lakhs, and fourth period crores. Again I am repeating, the first period ones is of three places, namely 1, 10, 100. Second period thousands is of two places, that is 1000 and 10,000 in Indian system. And third period lakhs is of two places, that is lakh means 1 lakh and 10 lakh. It is in Indian system. And this fourth period, that is crore, is of two places, namely crore, that stands for 1 crore and 10 crore. In this way we have to apply comma in given numbers of Indian system. International system, you see, the period once is similar to that of Indian system. That is, this is the period of international system once. It is also of three places like ones, tens, and hundreds. But in second period, that is thousand, there is difference. In Indian system there was only two places, but in international system we have three places, namely 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this much region comes under second period of international system. And in third period you see it is a million. So it is from this region to this region, which involves million, three places, million means 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So you have to apply comma in your given number as per this very parameter in given number. We will learn how to apply this concept in questions. So come. Question first. Find the period, place and the place value of underlined digit of given numbers in both the system. That is question first. 2 in 7, this number, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So you can see here is this 2 is at the place of lakh. So in Hindi, in Indian system, it is read as 2,95,703 for this much value. And when you go ahead, then it becomes 62,95,703. If you go more ahead, then it becomes 79 crores 62 lakh 95,703 in Indian system. So the value Indian system 2 belongs to the period of lakhs. Its place in Indian system is 1 lakh. In abbreviated form it is written as 1 lakh. And its place value is 2 into 1 lakh is equal to 2 lakh. So this is all about Indian system. And in international system, how is it calculated? You can see. Why in international system 2 belongs to the period of thousands. You can count it. 1, 10, 100. This one 1000, 10,000, and this one 100,000 in international system. So how would you recognize whether the given number is in international system or Indian system? It is with the help of applied comma. If this comma from right side starts taking place after 3 digits, then obviously it is in international system. So it will be read as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this one 100,000. So 295,703. If you want to read whole number in international system, then it is read as ones, tens, 100, this one 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and this one after 100,000 you come in the stream of million. So it is million, 10 million, and 100 million, 796 million, and this one 295,703. So your answer will be 2. Here 2 belongs to the place of 100,000. The first your first observation was international system. In international system, 2 belongs to the period of 1000, and 2 belongs to the place of 100,000. In symbolized form, it is written STS, and its place value will be 2 into 100,000 is equal to 200,000. So you can understand this 2 lakh is equal to 200,000. In this way, you have to clear this idea with the help of the solution of concerned questions to lesson 1. I do hope it will help you a lot in solving next questions of this very chapter. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you need more, then must comment in comment box and like and subscribe it to your all classmates. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.